In a world where robots can run, jump, backflip, and dance better than most humans, I asked myself a simple question. Could I take on the most advanced humanoid robot in the world? Meet Atlas, Boston Dynamics' peak performance robot. It's 5 feet of hydraulic muscle, AI brains, and absolute disrespect for gravity. And this is me, a normal human, 0 robotic enhancements, possibly too much coffee. But I've got one thing Atlas doesn't heart. The gauntlet is thrown. So I reached out to Boston Dynamics. Okay, not really, but I watched every video they posted, studied Atlas like a coach before a big game, and recreated some of his stunts, human style. First up, the warm-up. Atlas does this perfectly. Me? Let's just say, I tried. Here's how this is gonna go. I've got 5 challenges, all inspired by Atlas. Let's see who wins each round. Atlas walks on narrow beams like it's nothing. I, on the other hand, verdict round 1 goes to the robot. Atlas does 180-degree jumps midair. I did too, sort of. Style points, 0. But I didn't fall, so I'm calling this one a tie. Remember when Atlas danced to Do You Love Me? Yeah, I brought my own moves. Okay, I admit defeat here. Atlas has better rhythm, and no shame. Can Atlas do push-ups? Not really, can I? Barely, but hey, a win's a win. Atlas runs a parkour course like a pro. I ran mine like a scared cat in socks. But I made it to the end, and that's what counts. The final verdict. So, final score, Atlas 3, me 1, tie 1. Do I feel bad? Nope. Atlas might have cutting-edge AI, but I've got willpower, minor knee pain, and a gallon of Gatorade. Technology is amazing, and robots like Atlas are redefining what's possible. But don't worry, the human spirit is still strong and slightly out of breath. Like this video if you think I should challenge Spot next. Subscribe for more man versus machine madness.